If your creatinine level goes up, it's not something to ignore. It's a warning sign your kidneys might be struggling to filter waste, and if that continues, it can lead to serious kidney damage or even kidney failure over time. But here's the good news. Certain natural foods can help support your kidneys, flush out excess creatinine, and even revive kidney function naturally. So stay with me till the end, because the last snack on this list is the most powerful of all, and it might already be sitting in your kitchen right now. Top 6. Cucumbers, the natural kidney hydrator. Cucumbers are made of 95% water. They act like a gentle internal rinse, helping your body flush out toxins and creatinine through urine. They're low in sodium and potassium, making them perfect for kidney support. Snack on cucumber slices with lemon juice or mint. Refreshing, hydrating, and cleansing. Simple, light, but surprisingly powerful for daily kidney health. Top 5. Apples, the gentle detox snack. Apples are rich in pectin, a fiber that helps lower cholesterol and blood sugar, two key causes of kidney damage. They also contain antioxidants that protect kidney tissue and reduce inflammation. Eat 1 apple a day, skin on, or pair it with a spoon of peanut butter for a healthy, kidney-friendly snack. And don't go anywhere, because the next foods on this list aren't just healthy, they can actually help your kidneys detox faster than you might think. Top 4. Berries, tiny but mighty kidney protectors. Don't be fooled by their size. Blueberries, strawberries, and cranberries are loaded with antioxidants that protect kidney cells from inflammation and damage. Cranberries even prevent harmful bacteria from sticking to your urinary tract, lowering infection risk. A handful of mixed berries or a sugar-free smoothie daily can help your kidneys stay clean and strong. And trust me, the next one is even more powerful. Top 3. Watermelon, the natural creatinine flush. Watermelon acts as a natural diuretic, helping your body flush out excess creatinine and waste through urine. It's packed with water, vitamin C, and lycopene that soothe and protect kidney tissues. Just don't overeat. A few cubes a day can do wonders for hydration and detox. Next up, top 2. It's colorful, crunchy, and secretly one of the best foods for your kidneys. Top 2. Red bell peppers, the vitamin C shield. Red bell peppers are low in potassium, but high in vitamin C and antioxidants, perfect for protecting kidneys from oxidative stress. They support detox and help the kidneys filter waste more efficiently. Slice them raw with hummus or toss them into your meals for a crunchy, kidney-loving snack. But don't scroll yet, because the first one is the most surprising one of all. Most people have it at home, but few realize how powerful it is. Top 1. Garlic, the hidden kidney saver. Here it is, the most powerful kidney-supporting food, garlic. It contains allicin, a natural compound that helps lower inflammation, reduce blood pressure, and protect kidney cells from further damage. Some studies even show garlic can help reduce creatinine buildup naturally when used regularly. Just 1 small raw clove a day, or adding crushed garlic to your meals, can give your kidneys the detox boost they need. Simple, natural, and one of the most powerful kidney protectors nature ever made. So there you have it. The top 6 snacks that help flush out creatinine and revive your kidneys naturally. If this helped you, tap follow and subscribe right now, because in my next video I'll reveal 5 morning drinks that help your kidneys detox even while you sleep. And you definitely don't want to miss that.